Woo! Oh yeah! Found my VnR cable, external wire to the Ego battery. Broke after 5 years, but I was wondering if I've been maybe losing torque due to that wire slowly weakening over 5 years, last month or so. And you know what? I don't know if it's just in my head, but this thing feels busier. Of course, it is warmer today too. All those things factor in. But regardless, life is good today on the trusty old Plus, 8 years old Plus, Zombie Ego VnR Vampire Mod. Yeah. This thing's definitely got more torque. It just doesn't stall out as fast. So, if you have any old wiring, VnR, Vesk, a couple of years old since you checked it, take off that shrink wrap and check it. That's what I would say. 5 years, it's a pretty good track record, but it sucks when it dumps you. Brakes while you're riding. When it's going to do it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that thing climbs. Woo, yeah. Just can't get enough. That's good music to play for you, like what I'm listening to. Copyright. Riding without music is a totally different thing. Not nearly as nice, flowy. It's like intentional movement, whether you're dancing or riding to music, helps you stay in the flow. That, my friends, is what we seek, the flow state.